Insemmilkom. Nilqakom għal dan it-tieni programm mis-sensiela ġdida Globalist. Illum dan il-programm ser jieħu xejra xi ftit differenti u dan għaliex għandna intervista esklusiva ma' Dr.Paul Graig li serva bħala assistent segretarju tat-Teżor Amerikan fi żmien il-Presidenza ta' Ronald Reagan. Dr. Roberts wara minn barra li huwa meqjus bħala espert fil-qasam tal-ġeopolitika kien ukoll assistent editur tal-Wall Street Journal u anki konsulent fil-Ministeru tad-Difiża Amerikana. Dr. Roberts huwa wkoll lecturer f'diversi universitajiet madwar id-dinja.
Dr. Roberts, we welcome you to our program and thanks for accepting our invitation. Our first question is this. What is the real history of the European Union and who really controls it?
The European Union was an initiative of the OSS, which was the American Wartime Intelligence Service that was turned into the CIA. And the purpose of the EU, from the standpoint of Washington, was to let Washington control Europe by just having to control one government instead of many separate governments. The problem of trying to control many separate governments is that the governments can play off one against the other. There are too many different politicians you have to bribe or threaten, whereas if you have one government, it's much easier for Washington to control, especially if that government is not democratic and is not accountable to the European peoples. And of course, the EU government is not accountable to European peoples. The European Commission essentially is an unaccountable governing body. And so it was set up then to facilitate American control of Europe.
Dr. Roberts, the Maltese people still think that the EU is giving us money for free to run our infrastructural projects, scholarships, and artistic events. From where exactly does the EU get the funds, and who is really paying for our projects? The EU or the Maltese taxpayer?
Well, the EU taxes the member governments. And of course, the biggest taxes would fall on the British and the Germans, and I suppose the French. They probably don't take that much tax from Malta. So it depends on how much they're spending on you compared to what they tax from you. Countries like Britain, they pay more than they get. The Germans, they pay more than they get. This isn't true for some of the smaller countries, the ones that don't have power, economic or political power. So, but what's important, or what should be important for the people in Malta is not how much money they're getting, but how much sovereignty they're losing. Because if you're a member of the EU, you do not have political sovereignty. You're not a sovereign state. And we see this increasingly in countries like Greece and Portugal, and now Spain and Italy, where the people in those countries are forced to accept lower living standards in order that foreign private banks can be paid in full their loans. So being a member of the EU means no people any longer have sovereignty. They don't control their own future.
Dr. Roberts, what are the effects of EU membership on a country? Who really benefits from the EU?
Well, the effects is that the country's sovereignty is submerged into a big state in which the government is not installed by the peoples. So it's a way of eliminating national cultures, eliminating national states, eliminating histories. It's an empire. The EU is like an empire in which all the individual countries and their histories are submerged into one. And the benefit goes to Washington, because Washington controls the EU. Look, Washington uses the EU as cover for its aggressions in the Middle East, as cover for its aggressions toward Russia. There couldn't be any sanctions against Russia or Iran without the EU serving Washington. There couldn't be the 15 years of war in the Middle East where 7 countries have been destroyed and whole apart. So the EU then is actually an empire that's part of Washington's empire. So it serves Washington.
Dr. Roberts, how does the euro affect the economy of EU member states? And why is it important for an independent country to have its own independent currency?
A country without its own currency has no independence. If you look at the EU members, the British kept their own currency. So the British are in the EU, but they're still independent because they can pay their debts by creating pounds. This was the trouble, for example, of the Greeks. They had these debts, but they did not have a currency that they could print to pay their debts. So how did they pay their debts? Well, they had to sell off public assets, the water companies, the ports. So private foreign companies purchased their ports, their water companies. Then they raised the water price. And then the monies that used to go to Greek municipalities to pay water bills, that money doesn't go there anymore. It goes abroad. So what supports the municipalities? They either have to raise taxes or they have to cut services. So the services throughout Greece are cut. The pensions are cut. Employment is cut. Wages are cut. Education is cut. Social services are cut. So if you don't have your own currency, you are a captive nation. All of the EU countries that don't have their own currencies are captive nations. They are at the mercy of creditors who can impose any kinds of cost on them. And so we've seen Greece now with years of austerity that people are suffering. The same thing happened to Portugal. It's happening in Spain, in Italy, not yet as severe. I think the EU doesn't want to have half the countries revolting at the same time. But so that's the answer. If you don't have your currency, you're not a country.
Dr. Roberts, why is the United States against EU members leaving the EU? What interest is it of theirs?
We have already said that the EU serves Washington. So if the EU breaks up, Washington has lost a servant. It no longer can go to just a few people and say, Europe needs to support our sanctions. Europe needs to support our wars, or Europe needs to support the dollar. You need to print euros because we're printing dollars and we don't want the dollar exchange rate to fall. So you print the euros and that will keep our currency from losing value because you're doing the same thing. So Europe, the EU is simply a very convenient mechanism for Washington. It provides diplomatic cover. When it goes to war, it says, well, look, it's NATO, it's Europe. We're all, otherwise, if it goes to war by itself, it's war criminal.
Dr. Roberts, Why is the mainstream media hiding and or manipulating the real reasons behind mass immigration and the possible Third World War?
Well, the media is hiding it because both of these serious problems are consequences of Europe's support for Washington's wars. If the EU had not supported Washington's wars in the Middle East, these wars have now been going on for 15 years. Europe would not be overrun with refugees who are fleeing the destruction and death of Washington's wars. So it's Europe's fault that they have refugees because they supported Washington's wars that produced the refugees. And the media doesn't want the people to know that they have the refugees because they are vassals of Washington. The same with the conflict with Russia. They don't want the people to know that Europeans are being driven into conflict with Russia because Europe consists of Washington's vassals. You know, it was several years ago that the editor of the large German newspaper wrote a book in which he said, there are no significant journalists anywhere in Europe who are not on the payroll of the CIA. He said, I myself was on the payroll. I published the stories that they wrote and handed me. So you don't have an independent media in Europe any more than you have independent politics. So this is the reason the media hides it and doesn't tell the people, oh, if we hadn't supported Washington's wars, we wouldn't have the refugees. Oh, if we didn't support Washington's wars and military bases, we wouldn't be in conflict with Russia. That's the reason they don't tell.
Dr. Roberts, our political parties have both become eager to remain in the EU and appease the EU, when the sentiment of the majority of the people around Europe shows clearly that they want to exit the EU. In your opinion, what's going on?
I think mainly what is going on is that European politicians, for the most part, are brainwashed with the idea that there's no future for a country unless it's a member of the EU, particularly if it's a small country. This brainwashing has been going on for 60 years, and the politicians aren't permitted to become politicians unless they accept that premise. So in order to be a politician in Europe successfully, you have to accept the EU. And so it is just a product of the inculturation, the brainwashing, the mental preparation of people who become politicians. I think that's the main reason that politicians in Malta think they have to be part of the EU.
Dr. Roberts, now that the UK has voted for Brexit, do you think that other countries like Malta should do the same? Will a small island state like Malta be better off leaving the EU?
Well, there are two questions there, Robert. Certainly, a small country like Malta does not belong in the EU because it means it has no independence whatsoever. In contrast, a big country like Germany can be a member of the EU and still have a lot of independence because it's such a big country, it's so important that it can veto some decisions that the EU makes, and it can always threaten to leave. And if Germany were to leave, then the EU would fall apart. So a big country can be a member and still keep some of its independence, but a little country cannot. A little country hasn't the power to keep some independence and be a member of the EU. So when Malta is a member of the EU, it means Malta has no independence. It's a colony. It's like a colony. It's like a captive nation. And so if the people in Malta value their sovereignty, they should leave. You can't be a sovereign people and be a member of the EU unless you're big and powerful like Germany.
Dr. Roberts, we thank you for being with us and for sharing your time and valuable information with our viewers. U b'hekk ġejna fit-tmiem ta' din l-intervista u anke ta' dan it-tieni programm mis-sensiela Globalist. Nispera li din l-intervista kienet mezz ta' informazzjoni sirja għalikom u illuminatkom aktar sabiex issiru tafu l-verità. Sakemm nerġgħu niltaqgħu fil-programm li jmiss minn din is-serje, jien Robert Henry Bugeja flimkien ma' Romina Farrugia Randon insemmulkom.